Hi guys, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel. Okay, right now we are going to make an unboxing and a review. Okay, so ever since I have my prescription glasses, I always wanted to try to wear contact lenses. So I used to have contact lenses before, but that expired, and it's just lately that I ordered contact lenses online from a local distributor. So I've worn them before from my other videos. I have them in green and I have them in gray. And all of those are contact lenses with prescription. Okay, so lately I've been searching the internet, doing some research regarding contact lenses, and found out that there's a contact lenses that looks so natural and so pretty, and it's one of the leading contact lenses in the world. So the thing is, you have to order them online, and there are a lot of distributors online regarding this brand, and it costs a lot of money. It's quite expensive because you have to order them online. It's coming overseas. It's coming from like in Europe. The brand that I'm actually referring is the Solotica Hidrocor contact lenses. They actually have a different kinds of colors in there, different kinds of shades, and if you want to have your contact lenses with prescription, you can actually do that. But if you want to have them without prescription, then you can also do that as well. So mine, what I order is without prescription, because my glasses that I'm wearing right now has UV protection, and I want to, of course, protect my eyes since every day I'm facing the monitor because it's part of my work. I have to use my laptop a lot. So anyway, so I ordered them online, and let's say I ordered them like Friday last week, and then they arrive like Wednesday the next week. So it's very fast because it's express shipping. And then so I've ordered them at visionmarketplace.com. Yeah, so before I ordered them, I actually emailed their customer service, asking them regarding shipping and how long does it take to get here in the Philippines, right? And how much is the shipping cost? So they replied very fast, and they said that they don't have like free shipping all the way here to the Philippines, but they only have express shipping that will cost me $32, right? So I got them for like $98 all in total. And they ship very fast, guys. I think the product came from Cyprus. Is that from Europe? Comment down below, I'm not sure. I'm bad with my geography, so anyway. So I got them right away, and I'm so very excited to try them on because I want to know how it looked like with my eyes. I'm a Filipino, so my eyes is very dark brown, as you can see. So I'm not really sure how it looks like with the Hidrocor contact lenses. And what I've ordered, guys, is actually called Hidrocor Mel. I know Hidrocor Mel is actually one of the most famous in the Hidrocor colors, and there's actually a lot of reviews online regarding about it, and they're very pretty. So I'm very excited to put it on, and let's unbox. So you see, I already have them here. It's Mel. Oh, by the way, for those here in the Philippines, I'm not really sure, but if we have a Solotica distributor here, we have local distributor here sell Hidrocor inspired contact lenses, and all of them are made from Korea. They're very good. I mean, the one that I'm using before, I think it's a Hidrocor inspired, but it's not really this. Oh yeah, here. When you say Hidrocor, guys, they don't have a limbal ring on the edges of the eyes on the contact lenses, so it looks like natural to your eyes. I don't know, I'm not quite sure, but let's try it on, alright? But first, you have to have a clean hands. You have to wash your hands so your eyes won't get infected. There you go. Can you see? Oh my god. It's very pretty, right? As you can see, there's no limbal ring around it. Oh my gosh. I really like how it looks. Right? Oh my gosh. I actually don't have a ring light, guys, so as you can see right now, this is natural light. I'm actually facing the window and it's like 12 p.m. right now and the sun is there. So this is natural light, and it's very comfortable too. This is yearly lenses, and from what I heard or from what I've read before while I was still researching, is that it's thicker from the normal contact lenses because it's yearly, but it's very comfortable. I can actually feel that I have something in my eyes, or that I'm wearing contact lenses. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put on I'm gonna pop in the other one. Okay, I'll be right back. See? Oh my god. This is so pretty, guys. I mean, can you see? It's so natural, and it feels like I'm not actually wearing any contact lenses, and it's very comfortable. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's worth it. Oh my god. This is Hidrocor Mel, guys. Honey Mel. Hidrocor Mel. Solotica Hidrocor Mel. Girl. Okay, so this is actually, I'm inside the room right now and we're gonna take it outside, so we'll see how it looks like outside. Okay, this is so nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is natural light, guys. I'm actually outside here at the balcony, so that's how it looks like outside, and it's very comfortable. Like, I don't feel anything. I don't feel like I'm wearing any contact lenses right now. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Just in case you wanted to purchase this one, I actually have a discount code. You're gonna be having 10% discount. Just use the discount code. I'm gonna put them on the description box below. See, they actually have a lot of colors. I'm gonna have another one though, probably soon, but right now I'm gonna enjoy this Mel. Look, she's so pretty. It's so pretty. I can stop. See? Right? Woo! Okay, I'm back. Oh god, I'm so obsessed with this color. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. You can comment down below if you have any more question. How do I look? Oh,